17 Money Secrets to Make Your First Million offers a comprehensive guide to financial success. These guidelines include all the fundamentals of personal finance, including goal setting, smart budgeting, saving, investing, and creating numerous sources of income. You may guarantee your financial future and work towards your first million by implementing these techniques. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. An essential initial step towards attaining financial success is setting specific financial goals. It entails establishing smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. These objectives give you guidance and sustain your motivation while you travel the financial path. They let you set spending, saving, and investing priorities that are in line with your goals. Whether one's financial objectives are debt reduction, schooling, retirement, or house savings, having well-defined goals increases the chances of achieving milestones. Number 2. Budget wisely. Budgeting wisely is an important financial practice that requires handling your income and expenses in a controlled and organized manner. You may allocate money wisely and obtain a thorough picture where your money is going by making a budget. It aids in budgeting, debt avoidance, and expenditure control. You may plan for both short and long-term financial objectives with a well-structured budget, making sure you have enough money to pay for necessities and putting money aside for goals and wants down the road. All things considered, creating a sensible budget is the first step towards obtaining financial success and stability. Number 3. Save and invest. Investing and saving are essential financial skills. Saving money entails putting some of your earnings aside, creating an emergency fund, and paying for immediate needs. To potentially earn larger returns, investing means putting your resources into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate. A wise strategy for accumulating money, ensuring financial security, and pursuing long-term financial objectives like retirement or significant purchases is to combine saving and investing. Number 4. Diversify investments. Diversifying investments is a vital strategy to mitigate risk and enhance financial growth. It entails distributing your funds among a variety of asset classes, including bonds, equities, real estate, and more. Diversification helps keep a portfolio balanced and less susceptible to the negative side effects of underwhelming performance in one area, which may result in more steady and predictable results. This strategy reduces your exposure to market volatility and protects your overall financial well-being. Number 5. Learn about finance. Making wise financial decisions requires knowledge of finance. It entails learning about debt management, investing, budgeting, and economic trends. Your ability to manage complex financial systems, identify potential financial hazards or frauds, and make informed decisions and establish realistic goals is enhanced by financial literacy. You may effectively work towards financial stability and growth and adjust to changing conditions when you pursue continuous learning in the field of finance. Number 6. Start early. Getting started early is a core financial concept. It makes use of compound interest, which lets your money expand over time. If you start investing and saving early in life, you may be able to accumulate larger amounts of wealth. This plan is a good way to achieve long-term financial goals like retirement and large purchases because it gives you the freedom to take reasonable risks and recover from potential losses. Number 7. Invest in yourself. Putting money into oneself is a wise move for both financial and personal development. It entails setting aside time and money to advance your general well-being, knowledge, and skill set. You may increase your earning and potential and create more employment chances by always learning and developing. Investing in yourself not only increases your self-worth, but also gives you the tools you need to reach your financial and personal objectives and change with the times. Number 8. Live below your means. Living below your means entails making less purchases than you bring in. It's a wise financial move that relieves financial pressure, protects against unforeseen costs, and generates more money for investing and saving. Through prudent financial management and refraining from excessive spending, you can attain financial stability and make better progress towards your long-term objectives. Number 9. Build multiple income streams. Increasing your income streams is a smart way to improve financial growth and stability. It entails generating income from sources other than your day employment. These could be investments, side ventures, rental income, freelance work, or passive income streams. You may strengthen the stability of your finances by reducing your reliance on a single paycheck by diversifying your sources of income. A safety net of several sources of income is offered in the event of an unexpected expense or job loss. They can also quicken the process of creating wealth for you, giving you more financial stability and speed in reaching your financial objectives. Number 10, take calculated risks. Taking measured chances in your financial pursuits is a smart choice that can pay well. Careful planning and study are necessary before making decisions that could leave an impact on your finances while making calculated risks. These risks might take many different forms, such as stock investments or brand new company endeavors. You can balance the possibility of rewards with the amount of risk you can tolerate by evaluating possible outcomes and comprehending the dangers involved. Although there is no assurance that a risk will pay off, well-considered ones can result in chances for capital building and financial success. Number 11. Automate savings. A wise financial move is to automate savings, which entails scheduling regular deposits to an investment or savings account. You can make sure that a percentage of your income is regularly saved without having to put a lot of manual labor by automating this process. You may develop a financial cushion and discipline yourself to strive towards your goals by adopting this practice. The desire to squander the money you meant to save is lessened. Automated savings have the potential to develop and accrue over time, which can facilitate the achievement of significant financial milestones, including emergency fund building, down payment savings, and retirement planning. Number 12. Stay informed. Making wise financial decisions requires being up to date on financial issues. Staying informed about financial news and economic trends helps you modify your financial plans in response to shifting conditions. It enhances your financial planning and investing decisions by assisting you in identifying possibilities and hazards in the market. Additionally, having knowledge helps you avoid financial frauds and pitfalls and enables you to make wise consumer decisions. Number 13. Network and build relationships. Networking and building relationships in the financial world is a valuable practice. Making connections with peers, mentors, and industry leaders can open up new perspectives, possibilities, and resources for your financial path. While forming personal relationships can provide support and direction in managing finances, building a strong professional network can lead to job success and commercial partnerships. These connections improve your chances of success in the financial sphere and your general financial literacy by providing access to information, opportunities for cooperation, and possible investments. Number 14. Avoid debt. One of the most important financial concepts is avoiding debt. It entails cutting down on high-interest debt and properly handling current debt. Your financial well-being can be improved by avoiding overextending yourself financially, which will lessen the cost of interest payments, give you better control over your money, and allow you to push more of your income towards savings and investments. Number 15. Be patient. When it comes to creating money and personal finance, patience is a virtue. Success in business usually takes time to manifest. It calls for endurance and a long-term outlook. When you have patience, you may persevere in pursuing your financial objectives in the face of obstacles or changes in the market. It helps you to avoid making snap decisions and stick to a methodical approach to investing and saving. Compounding interest and regular donations have the potential to produce large long-term financial gains. Reaching your targeted milestones and attaining long-term success in your financial journey require patience. Number 16. Seek professional advice. Getting expert financial guidance is a smart way to handle your finances well. Financial advisors and specialists can offer situation-specific advice, assisting you in making well-informed decisions on investments, retirement planning, tax planning, and other areas. They can help you design a customized financial strategy that fits your objectives and risk tolerance. Expert guidance is a priceless tool in your financial journey since it can guide you through challenging financial situations, reduce expensive errors, and maximize your financial well-being. Number 17. Don't give up. A key quality for your financial journey is perseverance. Financial success is not always easy to attain, and failures are nearly a given. But it's essential that you never give up. It's essential to keep an eye on the big picture and to remain dedicated to your objectives, even in the face of minor setbacks or challenges. Although there may be ups and downs on the route to financial security and wealth building, perseverance and dedication can help you get beyond obstacles and keep moving forward. In the end, perseverance can help you reach your financial goals, whether it's through plan adjustments, loss recovery, or dealing with financial difficulties. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive new updates. Stay tuned!